howdy, y'all. Wait till Matt gets in here to talk about this build, but we got a special one coming to y'all this morning.
Hey guys, so yeah, we have a fun build, and shout out to Gamdias because for PC Bros, they sent over this case and cooler. Just cool. You know, they were like, hey, PC Bros, you want to try out this new case and cooler that we have? And we're like, sure. So we've been on PC around it. And yeah, it's like the first, actually we've had a couple samples from other companies. It was the first time a company reached out and they were like, here's multiple things to build a PC.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool.
Without even asking for anything crazy.
Nothing crazy, we're just building it.
Yeah, so this is the Gamdias, I'm probably gonna butcher both these names, but Neso or Neso P1 lower, it's a lowercase uppercase B. And then we have the Neon M4 420. So it's a 420 millimeter LCD display radiator. And I think that's why they decided to send us this case.
It's huge.
Yeah, my 420 mm radiator. I remember we had one of these not too long ago and we were like, what do we fit this in?
Does this come with RGB fans? Or are we just kind of like...
It says pre-installed fans. I don't know.
Okay, so I'm assuming there's some fans. We'll see. See what we have here.
It's always, oh, I put +4 V-True fans, so it might not come with RGB
So we need
fans.
the B-True.
Yeah, so I'll go add some B-True to
B-True to B-True. Not necessarily an ad. I mean, they're not paying for this. They just sent the case and the cooler for PC Bros for a build. We get these sometimes where companies are like, hey, you want to use our cases for PC Bros computers or use our products for PC Bros computers? So they send the product over and then we can, you know, try it out and see if we want to buy stuff from them. You guys like the Christmas tree? We're in spirit. I'm not sure if Jackson read off the entire list here, but this build features an i7 12700KF 12-core 20-thread. We have an Asus TUF Z790 Plus Wi-Fi DDR5 board, Team Group 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory at 6,000 megahertz, a 2 terabyte Gen 4 SSD. We're using an RTX 4070 Ti Zotac card, Be Quiet Dark Power 13 850 watt 80 plus titanium power supply, absolutely insane power supply. And then the Gamdias case and cooler and some V-True fans, and this one will be $2,500 at PCBros.tech, which we are close. If you guys have been considering buying a PC from PC Bros, I'm just saying, if you guys really like us, pick one up today or tomorrow because we were really, really close to a big milestone sales goal that we've been basically aiming ever since we started the company. And we're gonna potentially hit that with our awesome Black Friday and you're all just continually buying stuff.
And it's a really respectable goal. It's just 1.5 million in 1 month.
Yeah, it's just 1.5 mil.
Just
easy.
in 1 month.
Easy, easy peasy.
Just kidding. We're not there yet.
Oh God, this is a huge, huge case.
Woo. Did you guys like the little spinny spin?
Oh, we need to, some point today, we need to finalize December sale with Zach. Because at first he made graphics for just 5%, but I know we were talking about doing some of the stuff we did for Black Friday.
Yeah, I kind of, I mean, we can get some chat opinions, but I think based on how good Black Friday and Cyber Monday went, and hopefully it wasn't just a fluke, that I think like 25% off merch, I think is more doable this time.
Do you want to still run the same discount on the professional? Because I was thinking that worked pretty well. Or we could do a little less.
I mean, if it's an all-month thing, maybe a little less.
Okay.
I don't know.
I think that answers your question. Look what they gave us.
Oh, dude.
I was like wondering why that was packed like that. That makes sense.
Dang, they spoiled us, dude. Oh, he has a button to open it too. Oh,
that's we got a lot of RGB fans, baby.
Ow, so fun.
Yeah, here we go.
All right, well, let's
change that.
V-True out of here. I mean, we like V-True, but today we like Gamdias more.
Shout out Gamdias.
Yeah, that's crazy. So how many is that? Like 9?
9. We'll see how many I'm assuming it fits up to that, but we'll see. This thing's huge.
Yeah, this is gonna be a really big build. And I would say potential shout out to one of our employees' brothers who may buy this PC.
Yes.
Supposedly it's a little out of his price range, but you know, he's gonna make it work.
No matter what. All right.
Gamdias sending product out all over lately. Have you been getting stuff, Pinky Tech? Yeah, it's one thing to like, I mean, obviously we always have companies asking to work with, you know, Toasty Bros, but it's pretty cool getting to the point where like companies are like, oh, hey, we want to send you this product for PC Bros because maybe you want to build with it.
So this is kind of cool. A case that does, have you seen how this opens?
Oh, the whole thing opens? Holy crap.
This is on, the front's on hinges, actually both on hinges, so they just kind of swing open so you can get.
Does it have like a little border? Okay, it does have a border. Yeah, I was wondering what the middle looked like. Wow, look at the airflow in the back. That's like.
It's open.
Yeah.
Good on them for taking a concept and just doing some improvements on it, you know? It's not just...
So with this one, we're actually putting some fans on the bottom, not in the bottom, but on the bottom.
I guess so.
Because, I mean, if they sent us 9, that's...
So it'd be 3 here, 1. We might have extras.
Yeah, because we have this.
Yeah, there's no other place to put them. So yeah, 3 here, and then 3 on the bottom, then 1 there. We'll run them with that for now.
Well, we started off with, do we even have any RGB fans for this build?
2.
To having some, and then having it in abundance.
Abundance of RGB fans.
Too many. How many builds are we going for today? So we got 2 that we're doing on stream. This one, and then we have a really easy one. We're just, you know, once again, trying to help PC bros. We've been helping them less and less each day, because that's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
So we're just doing this one, which is a custom one-off that may or may not be listed on the website, depending on if Zach's brother ends up buying it. But yeah, very nice build, and then we're gonna be building just a 12100 build, or a 10105 is what it should be, but you know, free upgrades.
Starting the bidding war at $10,000.
Yes.
Should I put him here or here?
Probably on the outside.
Outside.
Or inside.
Inside.
Sorry. Yeah, just so that people can see him. I mean, that's how they had it in the picture, at least.
Guys, setup review's going live today, and it was one of the most unhinged ones we've done.
It was pretty crazy.
The cows are supposed to be harsh. So we were harsher.
So hopefully you guys don't hate us now. I guess the most dislikes we've ever seen.
Why are they so mean?
They were so incredibly mean to us. Please tell me that this fits, dude. Oh wait, I forgot I need to do this.
And then down into the little dip. Yep.
I was about to start roasting. I was about to be like, okay, you guys really sent us a cooler that doesn't fit in your own case. Oh man. You know, I'm glad I didn't have to do that.
That would have been bad.
Thank you, Gamdias. They're watching right now, just biting their nails. They're like,
oh my god. I'm very happy with this PC. I'm glad you are, Girthy. I would hope so. So ordered all my parts for my PC today. I'm going with a Ryzen 5 7600 and a 6700 XT. What do you think of any bottlenecks? Also DDR5. Well, that is a build that we do on the website. It is our professional streamer. We think it's a really awesome combo. That's a good price for all that, for sure. Yeah, 700 watts. You don't need 700 watts for that build. 700 watts would be good. I'll say one we have used a lot is the Segotep 750 80 Plus Gold. The reason I would recommend that one is if you're getting a 7600, get that power supply. It comes with an ATX 3.0 cable, which is what all new 40 series NVIDIA GPUs use. So if you do upgrade at some point from the 6700 XT to any new NVIDIA GPU, then you have that cable with you and it makes builds look much cleaner. Yeah. And that one I think is like 89 now.
Debating if this is clean enough or not.
What about this?
Well, yeah, I might be able to find a better spot for that. I might be able to run that.
This looks fun.
I'm almost tempted to like run everything behind the radiator.
Try that if you want to.
Because then like you wouldn't see a cable. You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying? I mean, that'd be pretty cool.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. I love that viewers can interact with my setup. Oh, do you have the thing where they can like change the lighting of your PC?
Oh, that's really cool.
That's cool. That was one thing that Corsair has always wanted to sponsor us on, but I just couldn't think of an idea for it. Was they had their murals thing where you basically can have your PC, a Nano Leaf, and everything as long as you use IQ Link controlled together. So you can have like your PC RGB sync up with like your Nano Leaf and all your other like RGB stuff around your room.
That'd be wild. There'd be a lot of syncing.
Oh, you don't have that? I thought that's what you said, Girthy. But yeah, there are features that you can do stuff like that.
He said, no, no, no.
He's like, I don't know what that is. Our experience with the PVA is they are lower end power supplies. They'll probably be fine. If you've used a PVA and you trust it, sure, go for it.
Yeah, they have some gold rated ones. I just don't really know how true the gold rating is, but you know, you could also fault us on, I mean, we've used like Aries Game and other companies like that for years and never really had any issues.
I'll plop this thing back in.
Yes, yep, everything's good to go in now. As long as you still get to like the CPU and all that.
I think so.
It looks like there's a lot of room up top. We'll say, guys, this case design makes it really easy for, it's almost like it's designed for 2 people.
It's almost designed. PV has a few that are actually C tier.
Really?
Well,
there you go.
It's just their lower end stuff I know is pretty frowned upon.
Yeah, it's like low. But hey, I have definitely used probably every single one of their power supplies over the years. They used to be like a go-to for like really cheap builds, and when I was doing like those mini RTX builds.
I was almost desperate with my build yesterday that I planned. I saw that Hercules and it was looking mighty appealing.
Ooh. I can't believe that's still a thing.
It's still a thing. Well, cable extensions void my warranty.
No.
You can do it. It's girthy.
Oh.
If you want to run sleep cables, you're good.
Just don't break anything because it'll void your warranty.
Yeah, trying to break anything in the process of going to sleep cables. There should be another CPU power.
Ultimate power. Oh wait, that's the CPU.
I was gonna say I need one more.
It's going in the basement. Do they give a hub with all those fans or no?
Behind you.
Oh, yeah, that's one I already used.
That's the one I
guess they didn't give one with the radiator then, so I'll just have
There's
to use
another fan box, but yeah, they didn't give one with the two fans they gave us.
This is the V-True.
The V-True?
V-True to V-True, my friends. To where like the proprietary hub, I'm gonna try to get onto this so everything's on one. But
will it communicate properly? Let's find out.
Probably not.
I'm trusting this is a good GPU. Ah! Money.
I'm not gonna do any cable management until I make sure this thing works.
Let's check if it works.
Is it ready to turn on?
Wait.
That thing.
GPU power is kind of important.
All right, guys. Let's see what she does.
What is happening?
Let's see if it actually changes. Oh my god, it does.
One thing's for sure. She loud.
Oh wait, actually I said it does. The freaking. Okay, so
yeah,
it is gonna be one of these where I know what to do. It's pretty matchy. Let me grab the remote now and see if I can get the. Why is it so loud?
That's a good question. I did notice that. Can that be flipped?
It can probably be. I would think so. It's hooked up with USB.
You have 420 mil AIO.
Is that a 420 mil AIO?
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that looks good.
Has it always been green?
I don't know. Normally that's RGB.
And then that.
It's on the V-True hub.
It's V-True. It's not bad as. There you go.
Nice. Yeah, we'll probably have to get the software to flip this and. Oh wait.
That rotates.
What the hell?
That's kind of cool, I guess.
Does it rotate? I was able to break it. Okay, yeah. All right. I'll take that L.
Spraying liquid
Or
everywhere.
W. No, I said L. Is it?
It's
Which way?
ready.
Oh, so he wants it?
He does want it.
Let's freaking go.
Well, it ain't for sale, PC Bros chat.
It's going. Out the door.
Trying to get him to buy it.
What made you want to do that? Is that like a normal thing for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll drink like 3 glasses of chocolate milk a day.
All right, all right.
That's why I don't like having chocolate milk around because I harm it.
It's pretty good. You get 10 grams of protein per serving.
Can't believe I don't think chat saw that. It
16 servings.
It bounced off of this, flew across, and then landed on the shelf.
He doesn't take himself seriously.
Hashtag lamb chop Jonah.
Now here's how people got a name change. These two later already in. I'm already in.
Oh, we'll get you out of here, buddy. Don't you worry.
Imagine Matt making this commentary on video. Like, what do you think, Jonah? What do you think, Lambden?
Lambden.
Lambden, come take a look.
I would definitely just call you lambskin for short.
All right. 10105.
Yep. So can we get all the? Let's see what this thing actually looks like.
This is the case with like the weird slant in it, right?
The slant we couldn't understand. We couldn't wrap our head around.
And it is slanted. Remember, we couldn't. I was like, dude, something's off about. Like, I think it's slanted, and we were like, I don't know, man.
Yeah, it's really cool. I like that.
Nice build. Hashtag nice build.
Boop.